So I'm Richard, and I have to admit, running on stage like that and standing in front of you guys, I feel a little bit like Tony Stark from Iron Man, which is a great coincidence because our company UQuant is actually working on making this superhero's artificial intelligence system a reality. Now, Iron Man's artificial intelligence is called Jarvis, and one of the main features that Jarvis can do and that we are recreating is that when Iron Man gets into trouble, Jarvis can calculate the probability whether Iron Man's technical equipment will work or fail. Now the question here is, how can Jarvis come up with such a prediction? Because in order to do that, Jarvis needs to combine complicated physical simulations with statistical data analytics and then intelligently make sense of the result. So how does Jarvis do it? Jarvis can use UQuant because this is exactly what UQuant does. Over the last 1.5 years, we have been working with a range of industrial partners to create a version of Jarvis that can help companies improve their products today. Let me give you a few examples. We have run pilots with a couple of companies. One of them is McLaren Racing. And our analytics helped McLaren Racing to identify cases during a race where the drag of the car could be reduced by up to 15%. For gas turbines developed by Rolls-Royce, our software prototype could better quantify the volatility in their cooling system. With this knowledge, Rolls-Royce can save up to 30% of maintenance costs for these components in the future. Now, the coolest project we've worked on so far, and the highest risk one, is the space launch system that NASA is currently building to carry humans to Mars in the 2030s. For NASA's model, we could better quantify the structural failure risk by 50%. These are just a few examples of companies we've worked with. We have seen traction in other products across various sectors, because UQuant can add real value and cost savings to any company that collects data and uses complex engineering simulations. We're a spin-off of Imperial College London. Our team has more than 20 years of experience in this particular research field, combined, and more than £2 million of funding have gone into the development of UQuant already. Now we're raising £500,000 to commercialize it. Okay, that's it so far from my side. I still have 10 seconds, so if there's somebody here in the audience who's actually building Iron Man's suit, then we'd love to help you by putting in Jarvis. Thank you.